Reviews back here with another Transformers Dark of the Moon Deluxe Class video review, and this time I will be reviewing the Mech Tech Deluxe. 1 minute, let me find his gun. Aha! Topspin. Now, here's Topspin in his battled up car mode that we see in the movie, which is really nice. I do like how well molded on all that detail is, and it just looks so awesome. The guns can come off, they also rotate, and he's got the engine molded detail here. He's got these pipes detailed, molded in there. He's got all this nice molded on detail. It makes it just really look good. Now here he is next to the Deluxe Roadbuster, which they'd be the same vehicle, but he's not. So he's battled arm, and he's just a standard race car. So yeah, he's the battle armored version. Sadly, from the looks of it, though, we are only going to get to the battled up. Hopefully, they'll make him in battled up version 2, or also just make all three of the cars in normal version and battled up, but that would take a lot of money from them. So they probably won't do that. So yep, here's Topspin, and the gun, there's that little hole right there, and it goes, or post, and it goes into that hole right there on the engine, like that, and then you pull this piece back here, and it just does that. And now all these guns also have the same stuff, but it just looks silly with it all off and everything, so I'm gonna leave them on. And now to transform them, what you do is you come here and unplug those pieces and swing them all the way forward, just like that. Do the same over here. And then take this piece and move it up. Oh, and I forgot to mention the symbols. He's got the Lowe's symbol right there. He's got his 48 right there, and then he's got the Sprint Cup logo right there. Like that. So then what you do is you fold up this brush guard piece too. So then snap those pieces together and fold around his waist. And then for the feet, you fold this till like right there, and then you take the foot out, and then you fold it the rest of the way. So you can't really fold the foot out because the wheel's going to be in the way first, so you kind of have to do all of it at once. And as soon as I get as soon as his legs will decide to not be all fiddly like they are, I can get him to stand. There we go. And go up to the top half part. So then separate these pieces and fold them out. These are going to become this kibble. And what you do is you fold these forward, and then you rotate the guns around like that. And then you take this piece and you fold it down over there, so that way these are out of the way of hopefully everything. And then for the arms, you take them and move them out, and then down, and then rotate them out like that. And then you take these pieces and you separate them so that way it shows his head, and then you take his head and you move it forward. And once you got everything set up, he is done. And there we have Dark of the Moon, Mech Tech Deluxe. Topspin. Forgot his name for a second. Now, I seem to have a lot of problems with quality control on these ones, especially paint applications on him. Let's see if I can get that under a little bit of light. You can see it's kind of bubbled. And it's chipping. That was exactly the way it was. They didn't put enough paint on it. Really, is what it looks like. And then his springs on these legs are kind of not well painted either. So, and then on top of that, there's a red, you can't see it, but there's actually a red scratch right there by the S on Lowe's. Right there. Now you see it. And none over here, but there's some paint splotching. Just kind of spotting. It's just, they didn't do a very good job of it for paint. They could have done it a bit better. Actually, a lot better. And then for articulation, his arms are on, can move all this way. He's got ball jointed shoulders, a hinged elbow, and then these clamps can open up. And then he's got ball jointed hips with dual jointed knees, and then he's got a ball jointed foot. So there is Roadbuster. I wish I could freaking change down the lighting on my camera because it's making his blue come out like royal blue, not, or just like a standard blue and not the kind of darkish blue that he's actually supposed to be. See, yeah, but oh well. He looks pretty cool. I do like him, but I kind of like Roadbuster a bit more because of his normal NASCAR. I mean, if they had a bit more stickers for him, then I would have liked it better. Wait, Pro labels. That's right. So yeah, there's. Oh, and I almost forgot his Mech Tech weapon, which is right here. Pegs onto the holes on his side, and it does the same claw thing as it did before. And then these bits can also come up and fold any which way you want and form like big ass shoulder cannons. Yeah, that's kind of weird. So, and there you have it, Dark of the Moon Deluxe Mech Tech Topspin, and I'm Ratchet Reviews. I will see you guys next time.